Hello students, welcome to Easy Engineering. And in this video, we will continue the fifth experiment. In the last video, I have explained you the binary to gray code conversion. Now we'll pass on to the gray to binary code conversion. So here it has written wrongly. You can make it as an gray code to binary code conversion. So what is the procedure to do the same thing now? First, take a gray code. For example, again we will take the same one as 0, 0, 1, 1 as a gray code. There are two steps to transfer the same thing into one binary code. First, retain MSB. So I am going to retain an MSB as it is 0. Then second one, add the successive digits with the previous result to obtain the 4-bit binary. For the successive digit with the previous result, you have to XOR, add. So that now I am making an XOR with this, XOR with this. So the result what I am getting is 0 XOR 0, 0. Now again XOR with the 1. The result what I am getting is 0, 1, 1. Now XOR the same with 1. Now this 1 and 1 gives 0. So what is the binary code we got here as 0, 0, 1, 0. That is the concept. With this, construct a truth table for gray to binary code conversion. 0, 0, 0 gives 0, 0, 0. Here the 4-bit inputs are W, X, Y, Z. The 4-bit binary outputs are A, B, C, D. The example what we took here is 0, 0, 1, 1. The easier conversion of a binary code is 0, 0, 1, 0. That is an example we have seen. Similarly, if you can do the same, you can get a gray code to binary code conversion for 4-bit starting from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1 to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. After making the same, now construct an K-map. Now we need to do K-map for 4 numbers A, B, C, D. Now we'll see the K-map for A. So what are all the combinations of gray code? We have high outputs for A. So those combinations are comes arrived here to here, here to here, means 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Now you have to make all the points over in an A. So this is an K-map for A. W, X, Y, Z are the inputs. So 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. Now make a grouping. While you make the group, it comes like this. So what is the answer for A is equal to W. So this is your answer for the reduced K-map for output A. Now back to output for B. So at what values the B gives an high output? In this point, 4 outputs high with the combinations of 0, 1, 1, 0, similarly. So draw the output K-map for B, 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, then last one 0, 1, 0, 0 here. Then next 3 combinations are here. At what condition? 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we need to group the same. So while making a group, these are all comes in one group as W bar X. See here, W bar X. Then while you grouping these 4 things, then W X bar. W X bar. Now tell me what is the expression for B. The expression for B is equal to W bar X plus W X bar, which is none other than B equal to W XR X. W XR X. So B equal to W XR X. Then similar cases applicable for output C. Listen students, for output C, we have these 2 combinations as 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, I am depicting both the values here. 0, 0, 1, 0. Here. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. Again 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The next 2 terms are here. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 0, 1, 0, 0 here. 0, 1, 0, 0. The next 2 terms are here, means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, sorry. Then last 2 terms are here, 1, 0, 0, 1. See 1, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you have to group everything in a way, such a way that you grouped like this and like this, like this and like this. What is the expression here? S W bar, then X bar, W bar, X bar, then Y. Then here is W bar, X, Y bar. Then here W X Y. Then here is W X bar Y bar. How to consolidate and write the expression for C equal to W bar X bar Y plus W bar X Y bar plus W X Y plus W X bar Y bar. Now we need to reduce the same. So that take W bar as a common here, W common here. So that rewrite the expression W bar here, W bar X bar Y plus X Y bar plus W into X Y plus X bar Y bar. Again we go for a further reduction, that it is equal to W bar. We can write it as, we can write this as X bar XR Y bar plus W into Again I rewrite the same thing. So it is equal to W bar X XR Y plus W XR Y the whole bar, which is equal to W XR X XR Y. Now students, similarly we do K-map for D. For a D we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise you have to check yourself. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then here 1, 1, 0, 1. Here 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 1, 0, 1, 1. Here 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you do post all the things one by one. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So all are individual. It's not possible to group anything. All are individual. So that write the expression for D is equal to W bar for this one. So you have to write for each and individual ones. W bar X bar Y bar Z plus W bar X bar Y Z bar plus W bar X Y bar Z bar plus W bar X Y Z plus W X Y bar Z plus W X Y Z bar plus W X bar Y bar Z plus W X bar Y Z. Now from this first group I am going to take W bar as a common here in the first 4 terms. Then in the second 4 terms take W as a common. So it becomes D equal to W bar X bar Y bar Z plus X bar Y Z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z plus w into x y z plus x y z bar plus x bar y bar z plus x bar y z. Now again take here x bar common, here x common, here x common, here x bar common. Rewrite the expression again. So it becomes d equal to w bar into x bar y bar z plus y z bar, x common. So here x bar z bar plus y z plus again w, inside a w, here x as a common, so it is yz plus yz bar plus take x bar as common, it becomes y bar z plus yz. So that students listen carefully. Here it becomes x bar, it is xr, which is none other than y xr z, which is here also y plus zx, sorry, y z xr z the whole bar. Here this term is y xr z, this term, and this term becomes x bar into y xr z the whole bar. So which I am rewritten the same thing, w bar into x bar into y xr z plus x into y xr z the whole bar plus w into x y xr z plus x bar y xr z the whole bar. Now again I am reducing this expression further, that w bar, here I can write both as x xr y xr z plus w into the whole term. Here it becomes x xr y xr z. The whole bar. Now again we can rewrite the same thing as d equal to w xr x xr y xr z. So this is the expression for d. So students, carefully go through the expression for c and d once again. Then do practice the reduction. I will explain you all the reduction procedures here. After the same, draw the logic diagram. So this is a logic diagram where we need to get the things one by one. A equal to W and B equal to W XR X. So that here we are putting XR gate, one XR gate. I am taking W here, make a bold dot, X here, make a bold dot here. Then C is W XR XRY. So we already have W XR output. So I am taking the same output as a input to the next XR gate. Simply take an Y here. That's all. Then what is D? W XR X XR Y. It's already got it in an C output. So the output of C is taken as an input for the next gate, and take Z in a XOR, that we can simply complete the same thing. And note down the procedures here. For an observation, for a record you have to write the theory, but for a observation purpose you have to write only the procedure. Then result, thus 4-bit binary to gray code converter and gray to binary code converters were designed and implemented using the logic gates. Students, I hope I could able to fulfill your requirement through this video. If you can understand, then let me the comments. And if you have furthermore requirements for a further coming subject, means an experimental videos, you let me the comments on a WhatsApp. Thank you, Ma.